I didn't mean
Is
it,
it?
man.
No, midfielders are out.
De Bruyne, Kimmich, and Fernand. Oh, that's a.
What the fuck?
Why would it?
There's not even, there's lightning rounds quick. 50k packs.
He's on Twitch.
Yeah. I didn't go
Look at
walk
hee
out.
haw.
I didn't go walk out.
I can't even be arsed looking, to be honest.
Oh, fucking hell. That's getting all
Yeah,
quick
mate.
sold. Can't even afford.
Belgium.
Many opening too. Country.
No,
Yeah,
because we're
Belgium.
facing
Yeah, we got the first left.
Yeah. Oh my god, no walkout. What is this?
Fucking dog piss, that's what it is.
Stephen Bergwijn.
Where am I looking?
17.
Hmm?
17.
No,
Oh,
packs.
not even a walkout, man.
I know I need to buy another 100 points.
Three
Okay.
viewers? What's going on here?
I don't know, but I haven't got a walkout once.
Just once. Me and you too, buddy. Going for 3 minutes and I've packed approximately hee haw.
You're up in hole.
Look at the fucking neck of this.
Jesus, not one walkout.
No wonder, you can see how people just fucking go through grands on this, like.
Yeah. I only have 900.
I didn't look, who is it? Well, it's not a fucking team of the year. Don't even get the tunnel, fuck off.
I need
you
to buy.
rat.
I need to buy 71p worth of FIFA points. Just buy one more 50k pack and get approximately fuck all.
Well, I need the Green Bay Packers and the Kansas City Chiefs for 583. Money Livingston.
Fucking hell. Don't know how many packs have been opened. 500. That's just
What?
when you know FIFA's that's fucking dead. Not even a walkout again. Nothing Semedo.
Fucking Arthur. Every day when I'm walking down the street,
Okay.
fuck off, man.
I just quick sold them all. Is there any SBCs out or what's it correct?
What a pish pack.
Team of the Year away kit. I think that's it. Jesus
That's it.
Christ. Team of the Year away kit. And I think there's another Team of the Year challenge out, but I'm not sure.
Nah,
Yeah, there is. You can get 25k pack now.
really hard, big man.
Well,
Oh, fuck it. I'm gonna open.
any idea where the niece is? FC
Open
Harlem.
over 2.
Whatever the fuck that is, I don't know. Fernandez card looks sweaty. 90 pace, 97 shooting, 98 passing, 97 dribbling, 82 defending, 87 physical.
Check the your 14 names.
Not yet, no.
What did you do?
Huh?
DVD.
I'll take it.
Yeah.
Fuck off. I get shitty fucking player cards that are red. That's it.
When you put it like that, like it's just not fucking
What?
worth it.
Oh, I don't know. Order the door.
Yeah.
Cheers. Apologize. Robert.
Right,
Robert.
here we go.
Does he was stick anchor on the team here Fernandez? He's 98 rated.
Well, I just packed Rodri. See, senor.
Steve, I think the best way to describe that was he rapping Haw.
Well, at least there's he to be wrapped. Fucking there was
That
hee
one's
haw.
white. That one's white. Oh, no, you're anyway.
Fuck me.
Nice bruises going.
That was garbage on a stick.
Where's the lamb